Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Home Remedies. Today I have come with an interesting awareness to my viewers on the early signs of liver damage. Watch the video till the end and verify if you have any symptoms of liver toxicity. When a liver is working well, it cleans the blood, helps digest food and fights infection. It is also a bit of a bodily superhero, much like Wolverine and Deadpool. It has the power to regenerate when it has been damaged, replacing old tissue with new cells. Anything that keeps your liver from doing its job or from growing back after injury may put your life in danger. Although the liver lies on the inside of the body shows outward signs when something is wrong. Let's review some of the signs. Jaundice, turning yellow. Jaundice is indicated by a yellowing of the skin, whites of the eyes and nails. This is caused by the damaged liver failing to adequately process bilirubin, the waste product that occurs when old red blood cells are broken down. An excess of bilirubin accumulates in the blood and deposits in the skin, which causes the yellowish discoloration. Itching. Liver disease is an underlying cause of itchy skin, as well as kidney failure, thyroid problems, and cancer. The itching usually affects the whole body. The skin may look otherwise normal, except for the repeatedly scratched areas. Bruises. High level of blood clotting. Liver damage can prevent production of the proteins required for blood clotting, which can lead to an increased tendency to bruise or bleed. Fluid retention in the abdomen. When the liver isn't able to do its job, people may start to retain water in their abdomens and legs, causing swelling. No signs. In some cases, there just isn't any indication that something is going wrong. And in the cases that mild symptoms present themselves, the most common ones are very non-specific and they include fatigue or excessive tiredness, lack of drive, occasionally itching. Once a person progresses beyond those early symptoms, the damage to the liver and the side effects become more serious. People may have the blood vessels leading to their livers burst, toxins could build up in their brains and interfere with mental function, and they could experience nausea and diarrhea. As liver failure progresses, the symptoms become more serious. The patient may become confused and disoriented and extremely sleepy. There is a risk of coma and death. At that point, a liver transplant may be the only option. So it's important to try to identify the signs of liver damage early and consult a doctor. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned as I will be posting another video on how to cleanse your liver naturally. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you need more recipes, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.